This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the right plane. In the right plane, I will draw this rectangle. And this rectangle has a dimension of vertical dimension of 45 unit and, and the horizontal dimension of 50 plus this half distance will be 5. So 50 plus 5, and this side has a dimension of 14 unit, so plus 14 unit. Okay, so the uh, so our rectangle has a vertical dimension of 45 unit and horizontal dimension of 50 plus 5 plus 14 unit. Okay, then I'll extrude it to 10 unit here. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch. So first of all, draw this. So I'm selecting the right plane here, so right click on it. Now select sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle from here and place the center rectangle here. And this center rectangle has a dimension of 45 by 50 plus 5 plus 14 unit. Okay, so now press OK. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we have an extrude cut circle here, and this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 16 diameter, and it has a distance of 18 unit from here, and another distance is 22 unit from another side. Okay, so I'm doing it here. Now select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 16 diameter. So select this one dimension and draw it and dimension it to 16 diameter. Okay, now select this circle and select this vertical line. The distance will be 22 unit. Now again select the circle and select this horizontal line, and this time the vertical distance will be 18 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Let's go back to our sketch again. In our sketch, we can see that we have a circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 38 diameter. For drawing this circle, we can see that from this surface to this circle, it has a distance of 101 unit. So first of all, from this surface, from here, I will draw a reference plane of 101 unit apart from this surface, and from that reference plane I will set the sketch and draw a 38 diameter circle. And we can see this circle center point has a distance from this line to this line center has a distance of 50 unit. And we can see from this horizontal line, from this center line, it has a vertical distance of 75 unit. Then we can see it has a extrude boss of 25 unit. Okay, let's do this first. So first of all, I am selecting this face. Now select the reference. Now select the reference plane, and we'll take a reference plane of 101 unit apart from this. Okay, taking a reference plane of 101 unit apart from this surface. Now press OK. Now select right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle tool here and draw a circle, and this circle has a dimension of 38 diameter. After that, select the smart dimension tool, and from this circle to this line it has a distance of 50 unit. Okay, and again from this circle center point to this horizontal line it has a vertical distance of 75 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 25 unit. So I'm extrude bossing to 25 unit and select the blind tool from here, and now reverse the direction. Now press OK. So our this circle has been done. Now hide this plane. Okay, I'm hiding this plane, and let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that this time we will draw this portion. So let me demonstrate. This time we will draw this portion. Okay, and for drawing this portion we can see the center point of this circle is apart from 50 unit here. So from this surface I will take a reference plane this along this center line. Okay, and from that reference plane I'll draw an vertical line here, and this vertical line uh, will be has a apart from distance from this line to this line will be 3 unit. Then I will draw a horizontal line here along this line. Okay, and from that line I will use the offset entries and offset this entire line. Then I will extrude boss it to this side and this side, and the extrude boss will be 14 plus 10 unit, and this side also has a 14 unit portion. So let me demonstrate it. So I'm selecting this surface. Now select reference, now select plane, and this time draw a plane of 50 unit apart from here. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now select this new plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a line, and from this center of this circle draw a vertical line. Okay, and this vertical line should be along this point. Okay, along this point. So you can see we have a dotted line here. So draw a vertical line along this dotted line. Okay, our vertical line has been drawn. Now draw a horizontal line and point to this point. Okay, our now select the expand dimension tool, and from this line to this line it has a distance of 3 unit. So dimension it to 3 unit. So we have dimension it to 3 unit. Now press OK. Now select the offset entities. Now offset it to 10 unit. Now select this line, and now we can see it has a total upper distance of 10 unit. So we'll offset it to 10 unit. Okay, now make sure to select chain, cap, int, and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 14 plus 10 plus 14 unit, and select from mid plane. Now press OK. So what this portion has been done, and in the same way we can see we have another upper rectangular portion. Okay, and this upper rectangle, for drawing this rectangular portion, first of all I will select this line and this other line, then I will convert into this two line of the previous rectangle, then I will offset into this a line of 10 distance. Okay, then I will extrude it to 10 unit. So again select the plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select this upper line and this side line also. Okay, after selecting this both line, now convert into this. So you can see we have drawn a L-shaped line here. Now normal to it again. Now select the offset entities and we'll offset this two line, and it has a, we can see it has a total distance of 10 unit, and also we will extrude it to 10 unit. So make sure to select cap int line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 10 unit from mid plane. Okay. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for filleting. And in our case, we can see in this side we have a fillet of 30 unit, and this upper face we have a fillet of 25 unit. Okay. So let's do this to fillet. For that I am selecting, so first of all let me hide this plane. Okay, I'm hiding this plane. Now select the fillet option, and I will do the 30 unit fillet first. So I'm selecting the 30 unit. Now select this edge. So we have gotten our fillet here. Now press OK. Now again select the fillet entities from here, and this time we will draw a fillet of 25 unit, and this fillet is situated here. Now press OK. So our second fillet also been done. But if we look back to our sketch, we can see we have a fillet here, and this fillet has a radius of 25 unit, but we have another fillet in this portion and this other portion, but these two fillet don't have any dimension. But we can see we have a fillet mark here which is inked at this here. So if we trial and error one or two fillet, we can find that it is nearly about 15 unit. Okay, let me first of all let's try 10 unit. So I'm selecting this face and this face. Now press OK. You can see that this line is quite upper than this line, so it is not matching. So let's select again. Now right click again. Now edit features again. Now this time I will select the fillet to 15 unit. Now press OK. Now we can see this fillet is quite alike this one almost, as the dimension is not given, so we are taking it as a trial and error. You can choose the dimension as you want. So next we can see we have another fillet here. It has a 25 unit radius, so I'm selecting another fillet, and this fillet is 25 unit radius. So 25 unit radius, so I'm selecting this face. Now press OK. So this fillet has been done. Now again let's go back to our sketch. We can see we have another small fillet here, but this fillet don't have any dimension. So let's trial and error this again. So I'm selecting a fillet. So let's assume it is 10. If you give the value of 10 here, you can see that we got a very bigger fillet, but we don't want this big fillet, so we will again edit features, and this time we can see if we select the 5 radius from here. Okay, now press OK. Now we can see it is quite matching our shape. So as the dimension is not given, so we have taken this fillet is 5 radius and this fillet is 15 radius. Okay, now we can see we have a extrude cut circle here, and this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 16 diameter. Okay, so let's go to our sketch. Now select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle and draw a circle of 16 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to, as the total dimension is 25 unit, if we select 25 unit it will be enough. So dimension to 25 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.